Welcome to Gold One, where understanding markets creates real opportunity. What if I told you that most people who lose money in crypto don't actually lose because the market crashed, but because they never understood how to make money in the first place? Not because Bitcoin fell, not because Ethereum corrected, not because the government did something. They lose because they enter the game without a strategy. Crypto is not gambling. It is not magic internet money. It is not a lottery ticket. It is a financial ecosystem. And like every ecosystem, it rewards structure and punishes chaos. In this video, we are not talking about hype coins. We are not talking about the next 100 times gem. We are not talking about short-term pumps. We are breaking down, step by step, how people actually make money in crypto. Sustainably, repeatedly, strategically. And by the end of this video, you will understand the 6 core money-making models in crypto, how smart investors combine them, why 90% of beginners fail, and how to build your own strategy for the next 3 to 5 years. If you stay until the end, you will not just know how to invest, you will know how to think. Let's start with the real problem. Most people jump into crypto with one question: how do I make money fast? That is the wrong question. The correct question is, what kind of crypto investor am I? Because there isn't one way to make money in crypto. There are multiple paths, and they require different skills, time commitments, capital sizes, and emotional strength. Before you choose a strategy, you must choose your identity. Are you a long-term investor, a trader, a yield farmer, an airdrop hunter, a builder, a capital allocator? Without identity, you copy others, and copying others is how portfolios get destroyed. The real problem is not volatility, it is lack of structure. Crypto rewards clarity. Crypto is not just buying coins and hoping they go up. It is an economic system built on assets, infrastructure, liquidity, incentives, risk. Money flows through this system in predictable patterns. There are people who 1. Hold scarce assets. 2. Trade volatility. 3. Provide liquidity. 4. Lend capital. 5. Farm incentives. 6. Build businesses. If you understand where value is created, you can position yourself near that value. Think of crypto like digital real estate. Some buy land, some flip houses, some rent properties, some build malls. Different strategy, same ecosystem. Let's break them down. This is the simplest and most misunderstood strategy. Buy high-quality crypto assets, hold them through cycles, accumulate during fear. That's it. But most people fail because they buy randomly. Long-term accumulation works only when the asset has strong fundamentals. There is real network effect. There is scarcity or utility. You understand market cycles. Historically, the biggest money in crypto was not made by traders. It was made by holders. The person who bought Bitcoin in 2015 and held through crashes made more than most day traders. Why? Because time is leverage. Long-term strategy is boring, but boring builds wealth. Core principles: dollar cost averaging, portfolio allocation, cycle awareness, emotional discipline. This is not sexy, but it works. Now let's talk about active profit. Swing trading is about riding waves, not every tick. Crypto markets move in: impulse, consolidation, expansion, correction. If you understand structure, you do not need to predict tops or bottoms. You need to catch the middle. Swing traders focus on trend direction, support and resistance, volume, market sentiment. This strategy requires time, emotional control, risk management. Most traders fail because they overtrade. Smart swing traders trade less, but with structure. This is not gambling. This is probability management. This is where crypto becomes powerful. Instead of only holding assets, you make them productive. How? Staking, lending, liquidity providing, validator nodes. Your assets generate yield. But here's the truth. Yield is never free. Higher yield equals higher risk. Understanding smart contract risk, protocol risk, and counterparty risk is essential. Passive income in crypto is possible, but it requires due diligence. When done correctly, it turns idle capital into compounding capital. This is one of the most asymmetric strategies in crypto. Protocols need users. Users provide activity. Protocols reward users with tokens. This is called an airdrop. If you position early in emerging ecosystems, you can receive tokens worth thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, for simply interacting. But it is not random. Successful airdrop hunters study new ecosystems, track funding rounds, analyze token launch history, use capital efficiently. It is work, but it is calculated work. This is venture-style investing. Instead of buying large caps, you invest in early projects before mainstream attention. This is high risk, but high reward. Success requires understanding tokenomics, evaluating team quality, analyzing competitive advantage, watching capital inflows. You are betting on future infrastructure. This is not for everyone, but when done correctly, it creates outsized returns. The most overlooked way to make money in crypto is not investing, it is building. YouTube channels, educational platforms, trading communities, SaaS tools, consulting, NFT brands. In every gold rush, sellers of shovels often win more than miners. Crypto is not only an investment playground, it is an opportunity economy. The smartest participants do not rely on one strategy. They combine 60% long-term assets, 20% active trading, 10% yield, 10% experimental plays. Diversification across strategies reduces emotional pressure. This creates balance, and balance creates longevity. Crypto moves in cycles driven by liquidity, macroeconomy, halving events, speculation. If you do not understand cycles, you will buy at tops, sell at bottoms, lose conviction. Markets expand and contract. Your strategy must adapt. Making money is easy in bull markets. Keeping money is hard. Risk management principles. Never risk more than you can emotionally handle. Use position sizing. Take partial profits. Avoid leverage unless experienced. Risk control is the difference between temporary success and lasting wealth. FOMO destroys discipline. Fear creates panic selling. Greed removes logic. To succeed in crypto, you must master emotional detachment, process-based thinking, long-term perspective. The biggest enemy is not the market, it is you. Not all capital should be treated equally. Divide into core capital, growth capital, speculative capital. Each bucket has rules. This prevents reckless behavior. Structure creates clarity. If your time horizon is 5 years, daily volatility should not matter. If your horizon is 1 week, macro trends matter less. Your strategy must match your timeline. Misalignment creates stress. Compounding in crypto is powerful. Reinvest yield, reinvest profits, scale position sizes gradually. Small gains stacked consistently outperform random moonshots. In crypto, liquidity matters. Low liquidity increases slippage, manipulation risk, volatility. Always evaluate market depth before entering positions. Over the next 3 to 5 years, institutional adoption will expand, infrastructure will mature, regulation will clarify, opportunities will shift from chaos to structure. Those prepared will benefit most. Low liquidity increases, slippage, manipulation risk, volatility. Always evaluate market depth before entering positions. Ask yourself, how much capital do I have? How much time can I commit? What is my risk tolerance? What is my time horizon? Design your system, write it down, follow it. Adjust only with logic, not emotion. Do not chase narratives without understanding them. Do not copy influencers blindly. Do not move without a plan. Speed without direction leads nowhere. Crypto is not a casino. It is an evolving financial system. If you approach it with structure, patience, risk control, strategic allocation, you can build real wealth. Not overnight, but sustainably. The question is not, can you make money in crypto? The real question is, will you approach it like a professional or like the crowd? The choice is yours. This is Gold 1. Understanding comes first. The rest follows.